All right, well, sticking with the weather story here, at least 8 people are dead after this same storm system that we saw brought inches of rain down in Kentucky. Now Hoosiers headed there to help. 16 Indiana conservation officers were deployed tonight to help out with rescue efforts in those flooded parts of the state. Indiana Task Force 1 also arrived in that area today. Governor Andy Beshear said today that hundreds of people stranded by flooding had to be rescued. Weather officials say as much as 4 inches of rain could fall in that region by tomorrow. Hoping everybody stays okay there. Remember, you can always see the latest forecast and weather conditions. We have them for you, as always, on our website. That's CBS4Indy.com.